In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a payroll trends report in Gusto. To get started, sign into your Gusto admin account. Make sure you're using an account with the right level of access, since reports are typically available only to admins or users with reporting permissions. Once you're logged in, give the dashboard a second to load fully so everything appears correctly before you continue. Next, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click Reports. This is where Gusto organizes reporting tools, including payroll summaries, tax information, and trend-based reporting. From the Reports section, select Payroll Trends. This report is especially useful if you want a clearer view of payroll activity over time and need to compare changes across different pay periods. Once the Payroll Trends page opens, click Filter to choose the payroll data you want to include in the report. This is an important step because it lets you narrow the report to the most relevant information. Depending on what you're reviewing, you may want to focus on a specific group, date range, or payroll category, so the results are more useful and easier to read. After that, adjust the report settings as needed. You can update the time period to control how far back the report looks, and you can also customize the columns to show the specific data points you want to review. If available, you can modify the vertical axis and chart options as well. These settings help shape how the information is displayed, so take a moment to format the report in a way that makes the trends easiest to understand. Now review the Payroll Trends report carefully and verify the data. This is a good time to check that the report reflects the correct filters and settings, and that the numbers match what you expect to see. If something looks off, go back and refine the filter or display options before downloading. A quick review now can save time later. When everything looks right, click Download in the top right corner. If Gusto asks you to choose a file format, select the one you prefer. For example, you might choose a format that's easier for sharing, printing, or further analysis, depending on how you plan to use the report. Finally, save the report to your computer in a location where you can find it easily later, such as a dedicated payroll or reports folder. Giving the file a clear name can also help keep your records organized. And that's it. You've successfully run and downloaded a payroll trends report in Gusto. Thanks for watching.